This is Pelin from Bodrum. Today I'm going to show you my secret technique on how to cook a perfect grilled fish at home. Very easy and very healthy. So we need two main equipments. One is stove. We will going to start with cooking the fish on stove, and we are transferred this fish into the oven. I'm going to set my oven on 200 degrees and on grill mode on top. So let's start. This sea bass is coming from the beautiful Aegean Sea, and it must be dry, and then with only two ingredients: extra virgin Aegean olive oil and some salt. So I'm going to heat up my pan. Fish must be dry. Olive oil. With the skin side, I'm going to massage, and I put the skin side down, and hear this voice, this crispy voice. And then I'm going to transfer this pan into the oven, but be sure that your pan is suitable for the oven. This is enough. Let's go. Yes, it goes directly to the oven. And we will wait only 2 minutes. Then it will be ready. And it's ready. Look at that. Juicy and delicious. Look at the inside. It's so tender, so juicy.